If you're looking for a fully furnished, move-in ready home in a gated community with a pool, then this is it.
Welcome to your perfect turnkey retreat right here in Goodyear, Arizona. Step inside this charming one-bedroom, one-bathroom villa, all on one level with everything you need already in place. That's right, all the furniture you see here is included. Just bring your suitcase and you're home. The open floor plan makes the most of the space with a cozy living area, a bright kitchen, and plenty of natural light. And because the HOA covers all exterior maintenance, this home is as low maintenance as it gets. Perfect for a lock and leave lifestyle. The bedroom is the perfect place to unwind with a comfortable setup and ample closet space and a beautiful ensuite bathroom. Step outside to enjoy your private patio, the perfect spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation. And with access to the community pool, you can enjoy resort-style living without the maintenance.
Whether you're looking for a winter retreat, a first home, or an easy investment property, this villa checks all the boxes.
Move-in ready, fully furnished, and priced to sell. It doesn't get better than this.